Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
The other virulent factors of streptococci are hyaluronidase and serum opacity factor. Hyaluronidase has M type, contains 4 and 22 are the two types of hyaluronidase, this hyaluronidase will break down the hyaluronic acid which is present in the tissues, so that it helps in easy spreading of the bacteria. Then we also have serum opacity factor. This serum opacity factor is nothing but lipoproteinase enzyme. So it will also break down the lipoproteins, and thus lipoprotein are present in the cell membrane. So serum opacity factor can break down the cell membranes.
thank you and thank you for watching.